Hello friends. Welcome to Pratidat Learning. In today's session, we will learn all about the concepts of ratio and proportion. Before going ahead, please like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to learn more. A ratio is nothing but a comparison between two quantities. Let's assume the quantities are A and B, denoted as a colon B or a fraction A upon B, and it is read as A is to B. Let's say Harshada's age is 15 and her father's age is 45 years. That is, a father's age of Harshada is 3 times that of Harshada. Now understand the difference between the age of Harshada and her father. Think about these numbers. Are these numbers in a multiple or any other type of relationship? If we divide both numbers by the same quantity, then what will we get? If you have known all the tables up to 20, then not a problem. If not, don't worry. First of all, let's identify which divisibility test will be applicable in this scenario. Let's assume 2, but we know that if 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 numbers are present on the unit place of a number, then only it will be perfectly divisible. So the divisibility test of 2 will not be applicable here. Now let's try for 3. Again, recall the test. If the sum of all the digits that are present in the number is perfectly divisible by 3, then only the number will be divisible by 3. So let's try with 45. Here the digit on the unit place is 5 and on the 10 place is 4. Now add both digits. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The addition is perfectly divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is perfectly divisible by 3. We will get 15. By simplifying further, we will get the 1 divided by 3. Now come to our topic of ratio. Therefore, the ratio of Harshada's age to his father's age is 1 to 3. Before going towards proportion, remember a point about ratio. The units of the quantities in the ratio should be the same in the calculation. In our example, the unit is year. That is, we have measured the age in years. In some scenarios, the units of age may be in months, days, or any other. Now that you have understood the concept of ratio, we will go towards proportion. A proportion is an equation that shows the equality between two ratios. Consider an example. If 20 meters of cloth costs 3,600 rupees, find the cost of 16 meters of cloth. We will solve this example by using the unitary method. So what is the unitary method? In the unitary method, we will solve the problem by finding the cost of one article from that of many articles using division, and then we find the cost of given articles of the objective of the example by multiplication. Solution. Given, write the information that is given. The cost of 20 meters of cloth is equal to 3,600 rupees. And the objective of our example is that the cost of 16 meters of cloth, which is our variable of interest, is unknown. That is variable x. Now the cost of 20 meters of cloth is 3,600 rupees. We will find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. To find the cost of 1 meter of cloth, divide 3,600 by 20. We will get 180 as the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Now we have known the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Therefore, to find the cost of 16 meters of cloth, multiply 16 by 180. That is, 16 multiplied by 180 will give us 2,880. Therefore, the cost of 16 meters of cloth is 2,880 rupees. We can also solve this example with the help of an equation. First of all, think about how to write the word problem in the form of an equation. If you don't know about that, then click on the I button to know that. We can write the relationship as a proportion. The cost of 20 meters of cloth upon the length of 20 meters of cloth is equal to x upon the length of 16 meters of cloth. So 3,600 divided by 20 is equal to x divided by 16. Therefore, solve this equation. If you don't know how to solve the equation, then click on the I button to see the video. The required value of the variable x is 2880. Therefore, the cost of 16 meters of cloth is 2880 rupees. Now let's see the uses of ratio and proportion. The ratios and proportions are used in cooking and recipes, finance and budgeting, photography, health and fitness, academic grading, speed and distance, etc. Thank you.